It's a matter of great pleasure to welcome all of you to Hyderabad. And it is also very appropriate that Hyderabad is the venue for the fifth IPLEX and that this event is happening in Hyderabad for the second time. In fact, if we look at the industrialization patterns in the state of Telangana or the composite state of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, plastic was one sector which was one of the earliest to start in this area. In fact, the plastic units came into being in this province right from 1956 onwards. And I'm very happy to inform that more than 8,000 units are in existence today. And the total turnover of all these units is in excess of 2,000 crores. In fact, it is very close to touching 2,500 crores. And more than 3 lakh metric tons of raw material is processed by all these 8,000 units which are located in and around Hyderabad, mostly in Hyderabad, but also in the districts of Medak and Mahbubnagar. Nationally also, after the Gujarat Maharashtra region and just behind Tamil Nadu region, we stand number 3 in the country. So it shows the prominence which plastic industry, the plastic sector enjoys in our state. I'm also very happy to inform that government has identified plastic as a core sector, and the new government of Telangana is in the process of developing a new industrial policy in which plastic is included in one of the 12 core sectors. And based on the directions given by our Honorable Chief Minister, we are in the process of setting up a specialized industrial park for chemicals and plastics industry, and our Chief Minister wants it to be called a chemical city, where all infrastructure facilities which are conducive for chemical manufacturing units, for plastic manufacturing units will be provided. And apart from having ready-to-use land, we will also ensure that the park as a whole is taken care of from environmental point of view. We will take the environmental clearance beforehand so that each unit need not bother about these clearances, etc. And for large units, which will be categorized under mega project, where the investment will be more than 200 crores, we will be having a system of automatic clearances and permissions. So all clearances and permissions will be deemed to be provided right on day one, and you will be permitted to start your activities. So I'm very sure that all the units who are looking at expanding their businesses into newer areas, Telangana and the area in and around Hyderabad is going to be the most appropriate, apart from infrastructure, apart from a dedicated this chemical city, apart from ease in getting clearances and permissions. You will also benefit handsomely from the incentive package which our new government is going to announce. And because this is a special category state post bifurcation, the state of Telangana has been promised by Government of India that a special package for industries will also be provided. So we expect lots of concessions, lots of incentives in terms of central taxes also, central excise, central taxes, etc. So I'm very sure that this will become an area where industrialization will thrive and flourish. And my organization, the Commissionerate of Industries and the Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, will be at the forefront of providing any required assistance to any of these plastic manufacturers. So I look forward to a very successful 5th edition of IPLEX, and I hope that we will remain connected later on also. And anyone who has any interest in setting up a unit here, they are most welcome to get in touch with us. Thank you very much.